Thank you for tuning into Iron Point Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your computer. Now, to start, you're going to want to plug in your iPhone into your computer. So use the traditional lightning cable for your iPhone into a USB port on your PC. And then once you connect it, there's going to be a prompt on your phone that's asking you to allow access to photos and videos. So you're going to want to click allow. And you can see mine automatically pulled up this photos. You might receive a prompt up here asking you how to open up your iPhone, or down here saying, do you want to open up your iPhone? You can click on those. It'll give you some option. First, go to photos, or if you don't have either of those prompts pulled up, but you can see your phone is connected, you're just going to want to search photos in the search bar. Pull up the Photos app. You can see here, mine is trying to connect to my iPhone, so I'm just going to go ahead and click try again. And it's going to look for new photos and videos on my iPhone that aren't currently on my computer. So you can see it's found items on my iPhone that don't exist on my computer. So you can see I have a destination here of where I want to import these photos and videos to. So change that, direct it to a folder that you want to put your photos in. And then you can go through and start selecting photos to import and videos. I'm just going to select a few here of my family, and I'm going to click import, and it's going to import those 3 photos. You can see here, happy family. And after that, those photos are saved in your photos files. You can access them anywhere on your computer, or you can pull up your folders, navigate to your Apple iPhone. And then in the internal storage, if you click into there, this DCIM folder is going to hold all your photos and videos. So here I'm going to go to 100 Apple, and you can see photos and videos that are on my iPhone. So if you want, you can select some of these images and then right-click both of those. You can select multiples and click copy, and then you can paste them onto your desktop. You can see here they populated in the top right corner. And so now those are on my computer. They're saved on my desktop. I can use those, change them, move them anywhere I want. And then there's a few apps that I recommend if you don't want to plug in or don't have an opportunity to plug directly into your PC, your computer. Then I recommend going through Dropbox or Amazon Photos or Google Photos. You can download those apps, set them as backups. You can import your photos from your iPhone into those apps. There's some that allow, free storage and free space, a limited supply. So you can import some of those photos into those apps, and then you can pull up your PC and then log in through your browser into those applications and then download or pull those photos and videos from either Dropbox, Amazon Photos, or Google Photos. So that's a quick tutorial of how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your computer. If you have any other methods, please drop them in the comments below. Anything that you think would be better, faster, or easier for people to use, please feel free to drop those comments in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in.